I'm going to be making a recipe that's from our Buff Dudes cutting book today. It's going to be slow cooker turkey meatballs, which is a recipe I really enjoy and it's very simple to do. So you're going to need a slow cooker. If you don't have one, I highly recommend them. It's one of my favorite kitchen tools of all time. They're about 20 bucks and they are going to help you with all kinds of stuff. Even if you're not a cook, this does a lot of the work for you. So here's the ingredients we're going to need. We're going to need 1 1/4 pound ground turkey, 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. I didn't have crushed, so I'm using diced. That'll work too. We're gonna have a 1/4 cup of chives or parsley, whatever works. 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Finally, 1 egg. So it's time to put everything together. We've got 1 bowl. As you can see, the ground turkey's in there. Now we're gonna combine everything except the tomatoes. You have all your ingredients in there. So now we're gonna go ahead and just mix it up really well. All right, it's all mixed up. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is form them into meatballs and put them in our slow cooker. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try to make about 14 meatballs, but the number's gonna vary just depending on the size. There we go, nice little ball here. We're gonna put it right into the slow cooker. So now, let's go ahead and roll these balls. There we go. Not quite 14, but I couldn't help myself. Buff dudes have big balls. So we have the turkey meatballs in the slow cooker. Now we're gonna go ahead and pour the 28 ounces of tomatoes over the top. Okay, everything's in there. The slow cooker's closed. It's on low, and we're gonna let that cook for 4 hours. So, see you then. Okay, it's time to check on the turkey meatballs. And I wanna mention, when you make this recipe, make sure that your turkey is thawed. Ours was still a little frozen, so I went ahead and cooked it for a little over 5 hours just to be safe. I'm gonna check them out. Meaty. So I had some leftover noodles, so I went ahead and threw that in with the turkey meatballs. You can feel free to eat them on your own, or really with whatever you like. It's a really easy recipe, it's packed full of nutrients, and it's very good. Isn't that right? You know, that's a great idea.